Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the natural vibration. As compared to the natural frequency of the simple pendulum on Earth, its natural frequency on the moon will be. But it is asking that the percentage change. Basically, you can see here there is a percentage change it is asking in the question. So we know that the natural frequency is basically it is for pendulum. Okay, it is for pendulum. Sometimes they will give you the spring mass system, so you need to understand that. I will let you know the concept, but before this, we understand this. There is a mass m. Suppose this is a pendulum, simple pendulum of a length L. Okay, so now we find out the natural frequency. Basically, it is equal to under root of G by L. Okay, it is under root of G by L. We have seen when we studied the torque method. This is under root of G by L. Now see here, basically G is changes when you go on the Earth. Gravitational accelerations becomes G by 6. So on the moon, gravitational accelerations G dash becomes G by 6. Okay, so when you find out the natural frequency on the moon, so it would be like that under root of G by 6 upon L. So it would become G by 6L. So, but here you have to find out the percentage change. Percentage change means omega n dash minus omega n upon omega n. Okay, so here only the things which is going to be changed, that 1 upon under root of 6 is there. 1 upon under root of 6 omega n. Okay, so we just have to put here. When you solve this 1 upon under root of 6, it would become 0.408. So I'm going to write here 0.408 omega n. 0.408 omega n minus omega n upon omega n. So it would become 0.5918. In percentage, it would be 59.18%. But basically, there will be a minus sign because it is 0.408 minus 1. Okay. Okay, when you take the common omega n, it would be in minus. Okay, so minus means reduction. So you can say there is a reduction. So the natural frequency on the moon will be reduced to 59.18. Okay, so I hope you will understand this question. Sometimes they will ask you the time period of oscillations, so you have to be careful about the terms which is given in the question and what is asking. Okay, both the things are important. Sometimes they will give you the options like reduced by. Okay, so if the question is like that how much it is reduced, so it would be 0.408, but it is given that how much it is reduced to, so that is 59.18%. Okay, so the answer is option A would be the correct answer. Thank you.